Good morning, all. Mother Nature here with a cool little tutorial on how to make wind chimes using seashells and beer bottle caps. As you see here, these shells were handpicked from Myrtle Beach. I have these bottle caps. I have jewelry, glue, string, scissors, and a small stick that I found in my yard. First, I will cut the string about 6 pieces. It doesn't really matter um, what length you cut them. You can cut them any length you like. Depends on how many shells you're going to use, how many things you're going to use. And it's very important to use cotton string. I like this one. It's kind of almost like a thread, but you can use a little thicker string if you'd like to. So the next step, I'm going to start tying the string on the stick. As I start to tie the string around the stick, I like to typically tie it about 2-3 times. And then what I'll do, I'll put a little dab of glue. A small dab of glue just to secure the knot. Now that I have all of the string tied and glued at the knot, I will begin gluing the shells and bottle caps. Now what I do is figure out how you want to set your shells, and then you can begin gluing the back of the shells, or however you want to do them. Bottle caps also. Now that I've finished gluing all the shells and the bottle caps, I'll let it dry for a moment. Then what I will do is cut string to make a loop so that I can hook it like this. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more videos, click and subscribe to my page now. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram at the_beater_chick, at the beater chick on Facebook and Instagram for my custom made jewelry and paintings. Thank you.